Hello students, welcome to the class of English Literature. Today we are going to discuss an essay that is written by Charles Lamb. The title of the essay is A Bachelor's Complaint of the Behavior of Married People. This is very interesting essay and it is included in the syllabus of BA Part 1st, Paper 2nd. There is an introduction of the writer Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb was a famous English essayist who was born on 10th Feb 1775 in London. He did his schooling from Christ Hospital but could not get higher education due to some family problems. Lamb did not get married because he had to take care of his ailing sister Mary Lamb. Essays of Elia is considered as his masterpiece. In these essays, he used Elia as a pen name. These essays were published in London Magazine. He was master in blending the pathos and humor in his essays. Due to this quality, he earned the title Master of Essayist. His famous works are From Shakespeare, Essays of Elia, The Adventures of Ulysses, and On the Tragedies of Shakespeare. A Bachelor's Complaint of the Behavior of Married People was first published in 1823 in Charles Lamb's essay collection Essays of Elia. This essay has a more serious or pseudo-serious tone and it is written in an argumentative style. Charles Lamb's essay, A Bachelor's Complaint of the Behavior of Married People, is just what the title suggests. It is indeed a bachelor's complaint of the behavior of married people. In this essay, Lamb emphasizes his single status in the beginning of the essay. Lamb himself was a bachelor, and in this essay he describes his own experiences as a bachelor. And by writing as a single man, he writes as a single man for himself, and by writing this statement he separates himself from the married people. He talks about married people as if they are offensive, and he gives both hypothetical and personal examples to support his points. Married people set themselves apart in their own groups through their attitudes. They really do seem to be off in their own little world of love, and this is what Lamb dislikes. He believes that married people prefer one another to all the world and openly flaunt it, thus offending singles such as Lamb by implying that they are not the object of this preference. So in this essay we will see that this essay is a complaint of a bachelor, or we can say this is a personal essay in which Lamb describes his own experiences as a bachelor. The essay begins as a single man, I have spent a good deal of my time in noting down the infirmities of married people to console myself for those superior pleasures which they tell me I have lost by remaining as I am. This essay is a piece of self-portrayal. As a single man, means as a bachelor, I have spent a good deal of my time. Here Lamb writes that he had spent a good deal of his time in noting down the weaknesses, infirmities means weaknesses of married people, कि एक सिंगल मैन के रूप में, एक बैचलर के रूप में लैम ने अपना ज़्यादातर समय बिताया है मैरिड पीपल की कमज़ोरियों को नोटिस करने में. एंड वाई he has spent a good deal of his time in noting down the infirmities of married people to console myself for those superior pleasures. ही सेज कि अपने आप को कंसोल करने के लिए, किस बारे में कंसोल करने के लिए? उन सुपीरियर प्लेजर्स के बारे में विच मैरिड पीपल टेल हिम दैट ही हैज़ लूज्ड बाय रिमेनिंग ए बैचलर. I cannot say that the quarrels of men and their wives ever made any great impression upon me. मैं ऐसा नहीं कह सकता कि हस्बैंड और वाइफ के बीच में जो झगड़े होते हैं उनका मेरे ऊपर कोई असर पड़ता है. और had much tendency to strengthen me in those anti-social resolution which I took up long ago upon more substantial considerations. Anti-social resolution means, here anti-social resolution refers of remaining unmarried. Lamb decided to remain unmarried throughout his life. That is anti-social resolution. कि उनका anti-social resolution, anti-social डिसीज़न ये था कि वो पूरी लाइफ अनमैरिड रहे, एक बैचलर के रूप में रहे. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि मैन और उनकी वाइफ में जो झगड़े होते हैं उनका मुझ पर कोई ग्रेट इम्प्रेशन नहीं होता और ना ही वो उस निर्णय को और ज़्यादा मजबूत करते हैं विच आई टुक अप लॉन्ग अगो, जो मैंने बहुत पहले लिया था, अपॉन मोर सब्सटेंशियल कंसिडरेशन ड्यू टू सम इम्पॉर्टेंट रीज़न. और ये सब्सटेंशियल कंसिडरेशन क्या था? महत्वपूर्ण कारण था. दैट Lamb wanted to take care of his sister. That's why he decided to remain unmarried. What oftenest offends me at the houses of married person where I visit is an error of quite a different description. It is that they are too loving. जो चीज़ मुझे मैरिड पर्सन के घर में सबसे ज़्यादा बुरी लगती है, ऑफेंड करती है जब मैं उनके घर विज़िट करता हूँ, वो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट टाइप का डिस्क्रिप्शन है. और वो चीज़ क्या है? दैट इट इज़ दैट दे आर टू लविंग, दैट दीज मैरिड पीपल आर टू लविंग. दिस थिंग ऑफेंड्स Lamb. Not too loving neither, that does not explain my meaning. This statement that they are too loving, it does not explain Lamb's meaning. Besides, why should that offend me? कि ये बात उसे क्यों बुरी लगी? He further tells the reason why he is offended by the love between husband and wife. He says the very act of separating themselves from the rest of the world. These married people separates themselves from the rest of the world to have the fuller enjoyment of each other's society. And they implies, it shows that they prefer one another to all the world. And that's why Lamb is offended by their love.